G'day guys, it's Matt Keane from Hallam Truck Centre here. I'm the operations manager and it's a busy Friday afternoon here at Hallam for our mechanics and auto electricians. So let's go have a look and I'll show you around.
Yeah, look here, we've got a nice brand new black K200 that's getting ready for delivery. So we do all the pre-delivery checks, make sure everything's fine on the truck and safe before it goes, and then any accessory fit up after that we need to get sorted, we'll get done. You can see the cab's over and we're just going over inspections now on the truck. Alright guys, there's quite a bit going on here. We're doing a front gear housing on a Cummins engine. Just to let you know that we do a lot of Cummins engine work here, either in-frame or out-of-chassis rebuilds. Any Cummins warranty work or anything big or small, Cummins related, we're the place to go. We've got factory trained technicians that are ready to go and can do any sort of repair on a Cummins engine. As you can see at Hallam here, we also work on all makes and models. So behind me I've got a nice straight liner sitting here. So we'll be doing roadworthy repairs and any sort of mechanical repairs for this truck to get it up to scratch. Well, that's what's going on at Hallam Truck Centre this afternoon. Thanks for letting me show you around the place. Just to let you know, we're open from 7 AM to 11 PM at night and open until 12:30 PM on Saturdays. So if you need anything done, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.